Do you understand the reasons for your successes or failures in trading? Do you repeat the same mistakes? There's a straightforward solution to improve your trading process: the FBS Trading Journal. It is a file where you record all the details of your trades. It helps you identify patterns, improve discipline, and trade smarter. Here's how to use the FBS Trading Journal. To make the journal easier to use, create fresh sheets every month. Start your trading day by answering a few check-in questions. Remember that your physical condition determines how focused you are and how quickly your brain operates. Your trading may not go well if you don't feel well. Ask yourself what prevents you from achieving the desired results, and how will you try to fix it? How do you feel about your last 3 positions? Describe your mood and feelings, and remind yourself of your primary goal to stay focused. This check-in will help you understand when you should avoid trading or apply stricter risk management rules. For example, you may change your approach after 3 lost trades in a row, when revenge trading becomes tempting. Now, let's proceed to completing the journal itself. Start by specifying the current amount on your account. For every trade, record as many details as you can. Start by specifying the date. Who knows? Maybe you tend to open impulsive trades on Fridays. Select the session of your trade. You may consistently lose during the New York session because you cannot cope with all the volatility. The Asset column will help you identify the trading instruments that work best for you. Specify your reason for entering the trade to analyze what factors contribute to success. Choose whether you opened the trade banking on trend continuation or reversal. Specify if it was a long or short trade. Enter your position size in lots or units to understand if you tend to over-leverage or stay disciplined. Add your risk to reward ratio. On the final step, enter how much you've earned or lost in the trade. Your account balance will be updated automatically. Recording every trade will help you accumulate data for subsequent analysis. It only takes a couple of minutes per trade, but it provides valuable insights. At the end of every week, review the data to identify patterns and draw conclusions. Click the link below to download the FBS Trading Journal template and trade smarter.